In this lecture, I will be showing you how you can customize your homepage slider. As you can see, we have an image on the background, a text and a button. So this is our homepage slider. Let me show you how to do it. Navigate to slider revolution on the top and click on home 1. So the slider that we are using is a plugin which is named as Slider Revolution. This is the plugin that we use to create awesome sliders. So as you can see, we have two different sliders on the home page. Let's customize the slider 1. So as you can see, we have some text and a button. Let's change the text. Double click on it and then you will be able to change it. Let's change it like Tribu Hotels or Tribu Big Hotels. Then for experience, best in class. Okay, so click on tick to save it. Okay, if you want to change, simply double click on it and again find best rooms to stay. Okay, then again all have. Once it's done, you can save slider. It will take some time and you will get a notification. When you refresh it, you will see that the slider have been changed. Tribu Hotels, best in class, find hotel rooms to stay. Alright, let's change the background image. So if you can see main background image, click on media library. Now you can pick any of the photo that you want. So let's use this one. Let's use this background. Click on insert and you will see that the photo has been changed. Let's save it once and refresh. You can see the home page has been changed. Alright, we have changed. Let's change the button also. Go back, click on the button. Let's change it. Find rooms. Alright, it's done. So when people will click on it, they can go to an URL like search page URL. Let's try to use. Let's save it once. Let's refresh it. Let's see if it works or not, because I don't know if it will work or not. Awesome, you can see the search page has been appeared when we simply clicked on that button. Also, if you want to add some navigations like left or right navigation, let me show you how you can do it. So go to now enable arrow. You can also enable tabs as well as arrows. Let's see if this works or not. You can also change the filters and source settings. Let's see first. we can add some navigations or not. Alright, we can see that there was no option to add some navigations, right? Let's do it now. Go to slider settings, because here we can change the navigation. Enable the arrows. Okay, we have enabled the arrows. If we want bullets, we can enable it. Also we can enable thumbs, also tabs. Let's see how it works. So we have enabled some new changes like this one, and navigation as well. So thank you so much. In the next lecture I will be showing you how to use about us page.